Hi friends, today I got my delivery of Sunsun ADS series ADS 700C LED aquarium light. This is the box how it comes with. In box there will be a light, actual LED light comes with all the accessories and its mount. This is the back side of the box. It shows some spectrum chart, which looks perfect for any aquarium plants for growth and good health. This is how they show, like, how to install it, what is the degree of light focus. It says it's 120 of light angle, not focus, sorry. So this is a mount which how it connects to the aquarium, and this is the general information about the model and size and voltage and power. This is 45 watts, and it's very powerful. You can't look at it, it's so bright. So this is the box, and I bought it for 5400 rupees from Aquarium's India site, uh, and it got delivered today. So the result is very good. I can see my plants started pearling in the first day of installation. You can see how the pearling effect is here. So let me focus it. You'll be able to see the pearling effect. It looks so nice. It looks lively. You can see here Anubias is pearling too. You can see the series of bubbles here, and overall the performance is very good. I can see the plants are really happy, and looks like there will be good growth with this LED light. So let me show you how I installed it. This is how it goes on your edge of your side glass. It connects here, and this is the actual light. On the other side, the same thing goes here. And if I want to focus on the tubes, it has 3 tubes actually. In picture on the box it shows only 2, but maybe that box is a common box they designed. For 700C it comes in the 3 tubes, tube, or you can say LED strips. So they're very powerful. Only thing is it gets a bit hot on top. If you touch here, I can feel it's very warm. But if you look at the quality and the light, it's really good, and it's lovely to watch a tank and your plants pearling. So that's my overall review for this ADS 700C light. So I hope that helps you if you are thinking of buying a good aquarium light, LED light for your plants. So thanks for watching.